there, Japan, welcome. Right, these are the carbs from the R1. Check out my previous upload. I did a video on separating them from the bike and taking them out. So anyway, so here they are, out the bike. I'm gonna give them a clean up now. I did this exact same job on my FJ12 recently, did a video about it. In that video I said the carbs were quite clean, so I just happily took them apart straight away. If you've taken carbs out of a bike like this, they've been in for years. I mean, I've owned the bike almost 5 years, probably more than 5 years now, and then also I don't know when they were out for the previous owner, so could be 10 years, 12 years, we don't know, do we? So a lot of build up. Anyway, so I'm just seeing a lot of grub and a lot of grime, like grubby bits, that can all turn to like grinding paste if I'm not careful. So I want to wash all that off first before I take them apart and risk damaging the diaphragm. Also, that reminds me, there's plastic parts on here. These are metal on the FJ, these are plastic on this. Plastic parts, rubber parts, there's diaphragms inside the carbs. I don't want to risk getting, I'm not comfortable getting carb cleaner spray on there. These are plastic as well, look. So yeah, do all the cleaning as much as I can around the outside with just soapy water, just soft brushes. So I won't bother filming any of that, but I will go ahead and do it and get them clean. So got them in a state where I'm comfortable to start taking bits off them. Okay, so I just started to scrub it clean and then I thought, oh, I better take that off. But there's some like mystery fitment on there. So I think I've got a star bit driver set, see how they fit in. Okay, newsflash, that tool already had a hole in it. Didn't need to do any of that grinding out. This is what it's like working on stuff when you haven't got experience to make mistakes. It's all part of fun. Waste time, but learning. I'm going to be taking bits off, oops. I'm going to be taking bits off these and then laying them all out in order as they came off the carbs. I don't think it matters too much if you mix them up. Certainly not the float bowls and screws, but all the internal little jets and stuff, I want to put them back in the carbs that they came from. So obviously just make that possible by being tidy with the way you put them down. Compared to the FJ carbs, I haven't done this job, this is the second time I've done this job yet. First time on a different bike other than the FJ. Already a lot more plastic on them. The FJ is like I think it came out 87, 86, 87, and then discontinued 96, which my bike is, in 96. The R1 came out in 1998, so I just call it like FJ was developed mid-80s, the R1 developed mid-90s. So what I think car manufacturers and bike manufacturers do, they just find cheaper and quicker and easier ways to make their machines. So, an example, that's plastic. That was all nice metal and nicely made floats in my FJ. I can't speak today. And then in here, they just look cheaper inside straight away. I kind of half know what to expect. I did watch a video on someone doing these on a set on the same bike. Yeah, I think car manufacturers especially, they've gone too far. They just found quicker and cheaper ways to make things. All the parts are cheap. You've got like plastic intake manifolds and plastic water pumps and stuff. They've gone too far and cars are just too unreliable now. They need to take a step back, actually make things properly again like they used to. And all the electronics and computers don't help matters at all. The float pins look well awkward to get out. You can't, not clear to just tap them. Oh, that just moved. Okay, not awkward at all to get out then. What? These were such a fight to get out of the FJ carbs. Can't believe that. Push them like they're nothing. Okay, I'm seeing something else that makes it look cheaper than what the FJ has. The FJ has a proper shaped plate that gets screwed down next to it. It goes all the way around that. This is just like a washer. screwed down. There's just the edge goes over the edge of that and holds it down, the needle seat. I mean, that looks like such a bodge to me. Never mind, let's take them out. Look at that piddly little thing. Foil around these. There we go. Wow, that little filter's looking a bit dirty. Maybe I will spend some money on these carbs. Ooh. Okay, main jets, let's go for these. I've got a pair of tweezers. The back of those tweezers fits nicer than a screwdriver, so I'm going to open it with that. There you go. It's a bit difficult. There you go. Ooh. Okay, thought I was recording, I wasn't. I used that to undo these. Alright. Carbs 1, 2, 3, 4. Just modified that screwdriver to make it fit more comfortably in the screw. Right, so let's screw it down first. My line is just there. Half. 1. 1.5. 2. 2 2.4. This last one was 2.5. I might just all set them, because the bike was so lean before, I might just set them all to 2.5. This is really fine adjustment. Get everything else correct. I think these are just a little bit of fine tuning. Oh, bollocks. So you should have a spring, a washer, and a little rubber O-ring, so make sure nothing gets left behind. See that? There's only a spring come out. Can't actually see in there, but there's an O-ring and a washer in there. Oh, got the O-ring there. Oh, there you go, got it. Future reminder, order they go in: spring, washer, O-ring. Okay, flipping over the carbs, take these off. Get the diaphragms out and that long needle thing. Careful with these. I'm inspecting these for any damage or tears or swelling, whatever. Yeah, a bit grubby inside. That needle should be nice and clean as well. Okay, so that's as far as I'm going. I just wanted to take them apart, get the jets out, get the diaphragms out, expose all this. Found some dirt inside, good, so I can clean all that out now. I'll spray them down with carb cleaner, soft brush. I've got ultrasonic here, so I'll ultrasonic them. And yeah, that's basically it. That's the worst of it there. That and just the needle seats they're not clogged up when you look inside them. They just look a bit dirty, so they'll benefit from a clean up. And yeah, hopefully I can get back on a bike with no issues. So cool, that's it. Yamaha R1 99, the 4X V model, first generation Yamaha R1. Taking the carbs apart. That's how it's done. Thanks for watching.